Welcome to IVFC Math Oral Edition. In this video, we are going to test your skills in solving math questions mentally. In this case, each one must answer orally. There will be 25 items and you will be given 20 seconds to answer its question. You will hear a sound signifying that your time is up. Also, please take note of the video ID and write it down on top of your answer sheet. Likewise, don't forget to write down the date when you took the exam. Contestants, get ready. Here are the questions. Number 1.
113 times 132 using ABCDEF technique. 110, 116, 316, 616, 916, 3,916, 4,916, 14,916. So my answer is 14,916.
The answer is number 2.
Number 2. 132 times 233. 150, 156, 456, 856, 1,756, 4,756, 10,756, 30,756. So my answer is 30,756.
The answer is
156.
number 3.
Number 3. 251 times 234. 230, 234, 1,034, 1,234, 2,734, 8,734, 18,734, 58,734. So my answer is 58,734.
The answer is number 4.
Number 4. 143 times 234. 250, 262, 662, 1,262, 2,462, 5,462, 13,462, 33,462. So my answer is 33,462.
Number 5.
Number 5. 173 times 254. 430, 444, 442, 842, 1,442, 4,942, 9,942, 23,942, 43,942.
The answer is?
So my answer is 43,942.
Number 6. 200, 216, 400, 800, 2,500, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 39,116. So my final answer is 39,116.
The answer is number 7.
Number 7. 40, 80, 16, 1,200, 1,200, 200, 6,000, 3,000, 90,000, 100, 1,736. So my final answer is 101,736.
The answer is number 8.
Number 8. 120, 40, 6, 300, 400, 800, 2,000, 8,000, 20,000, 31,666. So my final answer is 31,666.
The answer is number 9.
Number 9. 40, 90, 6, 600, 900, 600, 9,000, 6,000, 90,000, 107,000, 236. So my final answer is 107,236.
The answer is number 10.
Number 10. 30, 40, 6, 600, 600, 200, 4,000, 3,000, 60,000, 68,476. So my final answer is 68,476.
The answer is
257 times 322. 240, 254, 554, 2,754, 3,754, 7,754, 22,754, 82,754. So my answer is 82,754.
The answer is number 12.
256 times 246. 540, 576, 1,776, 2,976, 12,976, 22,976, 62,976. So my answer is 62,976.
The answer is
236 times 312. 120, 132, 2,332, 2,632, 4,632, 13,632, 73,632. So my answer is 73,632.
The answer is number 14.
233 times 258. 390, 414, 2014, 2,614, 4,114, 20,114, 60,114. So my answer is 60,114.
The answer is number 15.
343 times 312. 110, 116, 716, 1,616, 2,016, 5,016, 17,016, 107,016. So my answer is 107,016.
The answer is
320, 456, 2,856, 3,456, 5,856, 23,856, 35,856, 125,856. So my final answer is 125,856.
The answer is number 17.
248, 2,948, 3,548, 4,248, 25,248, 28,248, 118,248. So my final answer is 118,248.
The answer is number 18.
180, 477, 1,077, 1,977, 3,777, 9,777, 15,777, 35,777. So my final answer is 35,777.
The answer is number 19.
180, 306, 1,206, 1,406, 5,006, 23,006, 29,006, 59,006. So my final answer is 59,006.
The answer is number 20.
120, 588, 788, 2,588, 5,588, 10,588, 22,588, 42,588. So my final answer is 42,588.
Congratulations for the job well done! Now, count your final score. Ang IVFC Online ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.